April, Carnival month in Jamaica. GenX bringing the vibes with a trio of hot Trini acts, including Young Brother, Bunchy Garlin, and Kess.
Miami, then Trinidad, and now Jamaica. GenXS, the Jamaican face of a carnival outfit from Florida, also jumping in the Twin Island Republic as a section in Tribe. And now, gearing up for Carnival here later this month, with events like Immortals Juve, April 26, and two parties, GenXS Ocean and Sunset, both on April 28. GenXS revelers, of course, also jumping in the Road March on April 27.
She said, take it easy, I will do the work.
A lot of people will watch my success and envy it, but what I would say is watch my success and be motivated, want to be better, want to strive for greatness, and want to, help people around you to believe as well, yeah?
And bringing Trinidadian soca sensation Young Brother with his hit The Greatest Bend Over to galvanize their parade.
Give me the greatest bend over.
His thing was that he was into a genre called Steam, and Steam is a part of the Zest movement. But he crossed over this year into the groovy soca and blew the world away.
She bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back.
Soca fans are talking about Young Brother. Why?
I don't know, probably the voice, I don't know, a lot of people saying, I didn't know Young Brother could sing, and why he sung like two different people, I don't know, it's interesting.
What's your style? What sets you apart from the other soca entertainers?
Well, have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of, front, a little bit of, yeah, she was, back, yeah. Steamy.
Why don't you throw it back, let me play?
What I do is steam, you understand? So if you say steam and the soca crossover, yeah, we inside the thing right now. Steamy, I wanna wine on your bumper, I know you like steam. It's the greatest bend over. I know you like steam, I know you like vibes. A lot of people didn't expect me to cross over into soca, and yeah.
Tell me something about Young Brother that your fans might not know, or they might be surprised if they find out.
Every morning when I wake up, I listen to R&B music. I like to start my day cool and calm and nice, and about love. I love Afro music. I have Afro music to drop as well. I'm working on my second album. I'm a family guy. Shout out to my daughter, Avery Love, Lois. Yeah, and I just said, and I'm a God-fearing person. God first in everything, you understand?
It's a what I make a little fun.
He has aspirations to go to Europe and aspirations to go to the United States and do different things there. So I definitely think at 26 years old, he is probably going to be the man. He probably will be the man if he continues on this same path.
GenXS also drafting soca star Bunchy Garlin for Immortals Juve, and its spokesman Kibble McGann says there will be a free concert after the Road March, headlined by another big name from Trinidad, Kess.
The fabric of GenX is to be top of class in everything. So when it comes to your mass camp, when it comes to your experience, we try and partner with the top sponsors.
Because we're giving away costumes, we're giving away tickets, we're giving away money, we're giving away an entire experience. So come and join us on the road.
The top DJs, the top artists. If we're getting a DJ, he's the best. If we're getting an artist, he's the best. Okay, if we're getting a designer, the best. That's how we do it.
Although its main events don't start until April 26, look out for pop-up parties at Mystic Thai and Django's in the lead up to GenXS Kingdom of the Sun.
She said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. And then she bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Is the greatest bend over. Oh, Miss Lady.
Mad.